Okay, grade 8s, as promised, we will be having a few quizzes along the way here, so it's time for quiz number 1. That's what assignment number 4 is. All you have to do for assignment number 4 is one quiz. So video is going to be pretty short. I have really nothing new to teach you. I just want to make the video so everyone's clear what's going on. So it's the first quiz on probability. We're going to be asking you to calculate some probabilities, draw a tree diagram, and don't stress out. You can redo these quizzes. So you're going to try the quiz, you're going to send your answers to me, send me a photo or whatever. I'll mark it, and I'll let you know which ones you got wrong, and if you want to improve your mark, you can give it another shot. Okay, so it's low risk here. Don't bother cheating and getting someone else's answers. You can still get 100%, and you'll actually learn it if you try it yourself. Okay, one thing I did not put on the quiz was sample space, so I just want to make sure we're clear what sample space is. If I was looking at this spinner right here, how many outcomes are there? Well, there's 4 outcomes, obviously, right? So when I talk about the sample space, what am I talking about? The sample space is the list of all the possible outcomes. So what are all the possible outcomes when you spin this thing? Well, I guess the possible outcomes are blue, purple, green, red. That's the sample space. Those are all the possible outcomes when you spin the spinner. By the way, remember this question? A lot of people had trouble with this in the homework. What does this mean? This means the number of items in the sample space. So how many items are in the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. The answer is 4. The number of items in the sample space, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, is 4. So there you go. All right, not to belabor the point, but I just wanted to remind you of that. And what the heck, I'll show you what the quiz looks like. Here it is. So, we've got some fairly straightforward probabilities to do with spinners. Though be careful, look at B. You got 2 B's in that one, be careful. Standard die here, dice, die. You're going to draw a tree diagram. I know those are tough, do your best. You're going to use the tree diagram to find a probability, right? Once you've drawn your tree diagram, you can look for total outcomes and favorable outcomes and get the probability. And then, of course, a couple questions to do with decks of cards, because we spent all that time talking about there's 52 cards in a deck, 26 red, 26 black, 4 suits, 13 of each suit, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to give you a question there. So let's see, what's it out of? 1, 2, 3. I'll probably make this out of 2 marks. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Looks like it could be out of 12 marks. Okay, not too bad. So I'll post that on Teams, and you can get it there and then complete it and get it back to me. If you could get that done by Monday, that'll be our due date, is Monday. If you could do that, that'd be great. And then next week we'll move on with more probability stuff. All right, everyone, take care, and don't be afraid to ask me questions, even about the quiz. That's fine. I'd rather you did that than just copy someone else's and handed that in. Okay, we really want to make sure you understand this. Take care.